So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and most of you are asking about the MLET swags, the recently event which we ended recently, that is a global hack week. How you can verify that we'll be getting the swag. So in this video we'll cover this topic. But before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel and like the video. So if you have participated in the global hack week challenge, so you must have received this email around today only. So they have clearly mentioned that you have completed some of the challenge, and if you have followed, if you have followed the challenge which I shared, means I have updated the playlist also during the session. So in case you have completed all the challenges that time, then you must have earned the basic swag. Now what includes in the basic swag? It includes postcard and stickers. And if you have attended some of the sessions, means some of the live sessions, you must have, some of you commented that you have earned some goodies like t-shirts and some other giveaway kind of things like shop toys like sharks, etc. So if you have got it, all things will be delivered to your address. Okay, you must have filled the address form during the registration process. In case you haven't filled it yet, you can just reach out to their support team and just connect with them. So this was a quick update wanted to share. So do like the video and subscribe the channel. And for the swags, it will be shipped to you. Do not worry about it. These are mostly shipped. If you have won any goodie, then it will be giving you a tracking number also. But for this, they are shipped via international mails. Means it will come by post office. So let's see whether you get or not. If you anyone receives, do comment down below about the swags update. So thank you, goodbye. And if you want to participate in other events like Qwiklabs Arcade, Arcade Facilitator, you can check the video description. I have attached all the related sources. So goodbye.